Saving your money. Whether you want to pay off debt, save for big purchases, or just want to be more financially responsible, these strategies will help you reach your goals. Set a budget. The first step to saving money is to set a budget. This means figuring out how much money you have coming in and how much you're spending each month. Once you know where your money is going, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save. Invest in your future. Consider investing in your future. This could mean putting money into a retirement account or investing in stocks or real estate. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Cut back on expenses. Once you've set a budget, look for ways to cut back on expenses. This could mean canceling subscriptions you don't use, cooking more meals at home instead of eating out, or finding a cheaper cell phone plan. Use coupons and deals. Another way to save money is to use coupons and deals whenever possible. Look for discounts on the items you need and take advantage of them. You can also use cashback apps and websites to save even more. Start saving automatically. Finally, one of the best ways to save money is to make it automatic. Set up a direct deposit into a savings account each month, or use an app that rounds up your purchases and saves the difference. Saving money can be a challenge. I hope after you watching this video, you can make it easier on yourself. Remember to set a budget, invest in your future, cut back on expenses, use coupons and deals, and start saving automatically. Thanks for watching.